You document pre-existing damage by taking clear photos and videos of every scratch, crack, stain, or broken item before any work begins, and by writing down the date and a short description next to each one. This creates a record that protects you if someone later tries to blame you for damage that was already there. Think of it like taking a picture of your room before your little brother comes into play, so if something breaks later, you can prove it wasn't already broken by you. Walk through every room slowly with your phone and take photos from a few feet away, and then zoom in close so small details show up clearly. Turn on the date stamp feature in your camera settings so every photo automatically shows when it was taken, because this adds proof that can't be argued with. A trick most people don't know is to hold a coin or a ruler next to small damage like a chip or a crack, so the size is obvious in the picture. Also, record a short video walking through the space while talking out loud and describing what you see, since your voice adds another layer of proof beyond just the picture. Save everything in a folder with the date and the file name, and send the copy to yourself by email so there's a timestamp from an outside source too. One common mistake is only taking photos of the big obvious damage and skipping small things like tiny cracks or worn spots. So make it a habit to photograph every room completely, even the parts that look fine. Another mistake is waiting until after work starts to take pictures. So always document everything the same day before anyone touches the space. People also forget to get the other party, like a landlord or contractor, to acknowledge the damage in writing, so send them the photos directly through text or email and ask them to reply confirming they received it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.